Hey, just doing a quick one. This is just a show and tell example of what you get when you order a full new equipment installation. With at least with our company, this is what you end up with. So first things first, here's the heater. Here's the sediment trap. Here's the bonding wire. You see we're using all high flow fittings on the plumbing. You got your variable speed pumps. On this install we did the filtration with variable speed and the waterfall with variable speed. We got new actuators that turn the valves to spa mode. We got new valves inside there too. Let's see here, we got a new cartridge filter. I don't know if you can see the label now. So this is a little different than diatomaceous earth. It doesn't require backwashing. It's got a higher flow rate, and they're just better in my opinion. That's what all the newer pools seem to be getting. They just seem to work better. Now we also have, on this install we did IntelliCam, and we also did iAqualink phone controls. So you can see, let's start off with the IntelliCam. This is basically a computer that's going to control your pH and your ORP, which stands for oxidation reduction potential. It's basically chlorine. ORP is just a fancy name for chlorine. It is different, but it's basically similar, almost the same. So this thing is going to take care of controlling the pH and the chlorine. Here's the actual sensors. So you can see you got those black tubes going up and down through the system. It comes in here. It's got a little mini filter on it. It filters out any particles that might be in there. This is all clean water, by the way, after it comes out of the filter. Goes in there. We got an ORP sensor on the right. We got a pH sensor on the left. And then the water goes down and through back into the pool. So those sensors are responsible for telling this thing how high or low the pH is and how high or low the ORP is. And then this thing will actually tell the system to add the chemicals. Here's the chemicals. You can see on the left we got a 4-gallon tank with chlorine, and on the right we have a 4-gallon tank of acid. You can see on the front we have pumps. So these pumps will actually suck out little doses of liquid chlorine or acid as needed. So, you know, if the pH gets a little high, it'll add maybe a ½ ounce or whatever it needs. And then this thing will actually let it mix. It'll let the pool water mix for a designated time that we set. Let me give you an example on the pH. We'll go to pH just so you can see it dose. We're going to manually dose it. Okay. And you can see here it is. It's dosing. You can see it spinning. Okay. You can see it was just a small amount of acid it added. Go back to the home page. You can see there's our current settings. And let's go on to the iAqualink. So here's the iAqualink. This is basically phone controls. You can also control the pool from your laptop, any computer, but it's most usually controlled from the app on your phone. You can see here there's a little, I don't know if you can see it, there's 3 lights here. That means it's connected. So this antenna is currently connected. And the system works great. Super easy to use. Very user-friendly from the app. And it's not just an antenna for the iAqualink. It's also the board here. So that it comes with all new board. So we install a whole new board, basically a whole new brain for this control system. Originally, this was an Aqualink control board, and Jandy's got a pretty sweet little kit called the iQ, or the iAqualink, sorry. And it's a kit that comes with the brain here. And basically you just install the brain and the antenna, then you link it to the Wi-Fi, and then after the installation, you got to go through the programs and set everything. You have to name the auxiliaries and whatnot, and tell the system it's got variable speed pumps and whatnot. So that's about it. Just want to keep it short and simple. Just a full equipment install.